Hello, good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Times Now Live and I'm Hina Gambhir. And we are going to begin this bulletin with some breaking news coming in from the national capital. Now, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has announced that BJP-led government in the national capital will fulfill all its promises. In fact, addressing an event on the occasion of International Women's Day, the new Chief Minister of the national capital has said that she will work for the welfare and security of women. BJP has also approved monthly aid for women as was promised before the elections in the national capital. The newly elected BJP government has cleared the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana. That decision was taken during a cabinet meeting. The scheme, given immense push during the election campaign, aims to provide 2,500 rupees monthly to women in the age group of 21 to 60 who earn up to 3 lakh rupees per year, whose household income, in fact, is less than 3 lakh rupees per year. Let's listen in to what the Chief Minister said.
दिल्ली की गरीब बहन को 2500 रुपए प्रति माह देने की बात आज उसको हमने कैबिनेट में मोहर लगा दी है। दिल्ली सरकार के बजट में 5100 करोड़ रुपए के बजट के प्रावधान को किया गया है ताकि दिल्ली की गरीब बहनों को हम लोग इस समृद्धि योजना का लाभ देना शुरू कर सकें। और इस कार्य के लिए हमने एक कमेटी का गठन किया है जिसमें मैं स्वयं अध्यक्षता करते हुए मेरे माननीय मंत्री आशीष सूद जी, परवेश वर्मा जी और कपिल मिश्रा जी सानिध्य करेंगे।
And joining us on the broadcast right now is my colleague Mohit Bhatt, tracking the developments very closely. Mohit, now many are seeing this as a gift for women in the national capital on International Women's Day.
Well, yes, in fact, and the Delhi cabinet has approved 5,100 crore rupees for this particular scheme. Now, as of now, what we are getting is that a committee has been formed. It will be chaired by the Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, Parvesh Verma, Kapil Mishra, Ashish Sood. All the cabinet ministers will be part of this particular committee. Now, this committee will look into the implementation of Mahila Samriddhi Yojana, which aims to provide 2,500 rupees to the women in Delhi. Now, the sources also say that women who are living below the poverty line and all that criteria would be met. There will be registrations that will start in some time from now. That all permutations and combination, all that work would be done. And as of now, what we know is that only the women who are living below the poverty line, they will be given, and those who have the BPL card, they will be given 2,500 rupees. So it's a big boost coming in on Women's Day for the poor women of Delhi, and specifically it's kind of an empowerment, economic empowerment, independence for them when you get 2,500 rupees per month in your bank account. So the registration process will start. For the implementation, a committee has been formed. But yes, in some time from now, former Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, will address a press conference, because what we know as of now is that only the women who are living below the poverty line, those who have the BPL cards over there, whose monthly income will be less than a specific amount, they will be given this particular money. And that is where Atishi can attack the government, saying that this the BJP did not say this when they were announcing it, when they made promises in their Sankalp Patra. So clearly we can expect politics on this, and perhaps that is why shortly from now Atishi would be addressing a press conference. But yes, the BJP says
we look forward to that response, first response from the Aam Aadmi Party as well on this particular issue. Mohit, request you to stay on with us. In fact, we are also getting a reaction from BJP's National President and Union Minister JP Nadda on this.
आज मुझे खुशी है और मैं बधाई देता हूं रेखा जी को और इस योजना की नेतृत्व को और मोदी जी को, जिन्होंने आज आने से पहले कैबिनेट का फैसला किया और 5,100 करोड़ रुपए इस साल के लिए आवंटित किया है ताकि महिला समृद्धि योजना दिल्ली में लागू हो जाए।
Let's go back to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Mohit, we have seen soon after BJP formed its government in the national capital, Aam Aadmi Party raised questions when the CAG reports, in fact, were being tabled in the assembly. At that time also, there was high drama inside as well as outside the assembly, with the Aam Aadmi Party asking the government of the national capital about their promises, especially the one that has finally been announced today by the government.
Well, in fact, you see, in run-up to the Delhi elections, it was Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party who first announced that if they come to power in Delhi, they will give 2,100 rupees to women in Delhi, and that was seen as a big poll promise, and it was expected at that particular time that this could be the game changer for the Aam Aadmi Party. But then BJP held various meetings, and in run-up to the election, just few days before the election, they announced that women will be given 25...
Mohit, I'm just interrupting you there. We have, in fact, live visuals of a press conference by Atishi. Let's cut across.
2,500 रुपए आएंगे, कब उनके खाते में डलेंगे और कब उनके फोन में मैसेज आएगा कि मोदी जी की गारंटी पूरी हो गई, 2,500 रुपए उनके खाते में पहुंच गए। लेकिन आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी की दिल्ली सरकार ने ये साबित कर दिया कि वो मोदी जी की गारंटी नहीं थी, सिर्फ एक जुमला था, जुमला। 8 मार्च को दिल्ली की महिलाओं को खाते में तो 2,500 रुपए नहीं मिले, उनको तो एक स्कीम भी नहीं मिली, यहां तक कि एक रजिस्ट्रेशन का पोर्टल तक नहीं मिला जिस पे जाके वो अपने नाम भर दें, अपने खाते की डिटेल डाल दें, अपने आधार कार्ड की डिटेल डाल दें। दिल्ली की महिलाओं को क्या मिला? एक 4 सदस्य की कमेटी मिली। क्या ये था मोदी जी का वादा कि 8 मार्च को मैं दिल्ली की महिलाओं को 4 सदस्यों की एक कमेटी दूंगा? तो कहां आने थे 2,500 रुपए और कहां दिल्ली की महिलाओं को मिली एक 4 सदस्य की कमेटी? एक हिंदी में कहावत है, खोदा पहाड़ निकली चुहिया। तो आज दिल्ली की महिलाओं के साथ भी ऐसा ही धोखा हो गया है कि किया था वादा खाते में 2,500 रुपए का और मिली एक 4 मंत्रियों की कमेटी, मिला एक झुंझुना कि जी अब कमेटी बनेगी, अब वो स्कीम बनाएगी, फिर वो पात्रता डिसाइड करेगी, फिर रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा, फिर महिलाएं फॉर्म भरेंगी, फिर भगवान जाने कि 2,500 रुपए कब आएंगे। तो आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी की दिल्ली सरकार ने ये साबित कर दिया कि मोदी जी की गारंटी नहीं थी, जुमला था। आज दिल्ली की भाजपा सरकार ने ये साबित कर दिया कि मोदी जी ने दिल्ली की महिलाओं को झूठ बोला था। तो दिल्ली सरकार ने आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को झूठा साबित कर दिया है, और शायद ये बस एक शुरुआत है, और धीरे धीरे दिल्ली के लोगों को पता चलेगा कि जिस घोषणा पत्र पर, जिन वादों पर भरोसा करके उन्होंने भारतीय जनता पार्टी को वोट दिया।
So that was the former Chief Minister of the National Capital, Atishi, slamming the BJP government in the National Capital over the implementation of the scheme for women that will bring 2,500 rupees per month in their account. She says it wasn't Modi guarantee but just a jumla, because now what the government has done is only given them a 4-member committee that will look into how this whole thing is going to be implemented. Meanwhile, we have another reaction coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's listen in.
द्वारका की एक रैली में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने कहा था कि 8 मार्च को दिल्ली की आधी आबादी के खाते में 2,500 रुपए आने शुरू हो जाएंगे। आज 8 मार्च है और आज दिल्ली की आधी आबादी को प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने धोखा दिया है। एक और घोषणा हुई है खाली, और इस बार ये भी नहीं बताया कि कब से आने लगेंगे। और ये टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस क्या होता है? आप वोट लेते टाइम तो आपने टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस की कोई बात नहीं की थी।